Yard work can be a real pain, but with HART's 40-volt battery-powered blower, it makes all the difference. Just click and go.
But gas-free doesn't mean power-free. This brushless motor cranks out 600 CFM at 155 miles per hour. For areas like this, I can go easy on the trigger to avoid blowing mulch around, but in the yard, I'll hold it down for extra power. Once you get in the groove, hit the cruise control and let the blower do all the work. This thing is super quiet. At 57 decibels, I can even hear my wife calling from even 50 feet away.
You missed a spot, honey.
For those extra stubborn, wet leaves, the turbo button gives you that extra boost of power. And with the speed tip attached, you can focus the air exactly where you need it. The adjustable handle can pivot to work for everyone. I like it here in the middle, but I can also lower it for my wife's comfort. My favorite part is that all of my HART 40-volt tools use this same battery.
This blower makes having the cleanest yard a breeze. Go get yours today at Walmart.